Hi, welcome to Think Human. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about entropy. What is it? Entropy is a fundamental part of our universe. It's a law of thermodynamics, and what entropy is a measure of disorder or order. High entropy means chaos, it means disorder, it means things are mixed up. Low entropy means that things are really organized and neat. Us as human beings, for example, we are low entropy systems because we are neatly organized atom by atom. We are working, we're doing really neat and interesting things. Same way as with our whole civilization, we are in effect going against nature. We are reversing entropy. We are taking the surroundings of high entropy, a lot of disorder, and we're organizing it. We are making it into a state of lower entropy. We're building cities with all of this, we are reversing entropy. On the whole, the universe always increases in entropy. This is just how the universe works. It always want to goes to a state of higher entropy. And the reason for this is that there are many more ways to be disorderly in high entropy than in an organized state in low entropy. So there is only few ways that I can have a glass of water on top of a table, but there are many more ways that this glass can spill and glass can shatter and water can flow in all types of ways on the floor and whatever. So there are many more ways for things to be disorderly, and this kind of gives an interesting hint into why it's easier to break things than to build things, because nature naturally wants to go into chaos, into higher entropy. So we have to expand some real energy into organizing things and reversing entropy, making systems into low entropy. Um, so there can be pockets of low entropy. This is the argument, like if universe always wants to go to low entropy, then if the universe always wants to increase in entropy, then how can we reverse essential entropy, like what we're doing here by every structure we build and every computer we make and everything like this. We are reversing entropy, but this is possible because there can be this kind of bubbles, isolated bubbles, well, not really isolated, but this kind of bubbles where entropy can have different effects due to whatever processes. But the bottom line is that in large scales, in large time scales, and in distances, the universe in net will always increase in disorder, will always increase in entropy. So this is just a simple explanation of what entropy is, a fundamental law of thermodynamics, that how disorderly or orderly a system is, and the universe always wants to move to a state of higher entropy, more disorder. So hope you got something out of this video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.